Fiona 850.
I just had to delete a whole bunch of old videos, like all the predator bike footage that I already uploaded. Go check out that video if you want. It's kind of cringe, but I mean, it really helped me out. But now we can continue with this project now that I have more storage in my phone. This part of the video isn't necessary at all, but since I already had my sander out, I just decided, I'll just clean up this side, remove most of this nasty little rust here. So, yeah, you don't really need to do it, but I just did. Well, that was unexpected. Actually, it was expected. It was getting pretty worn down. I finally got to go to the store, and I got a whole bunch of stuff. I got an actual wire brush that isn't super rusty and crusty as frick. I got some WD-40 because, like, why not? You always need WD-40. I got some paint, so now I can paint these things so they won't get super rusty. And it's rust-proof, so I don't even have to clean it off all the way. That's pretty epic. I got some heat paint. I'm not going to tell you guys what it's for, though, because I don't even know what it's for. Got some gloves, because of why not. Got some red Loctite, because I didn't have any blue Loctite. Got some JB weld. That's for another project. Got some more actual weld, because of I need to. And I got some clear coat. Some clear coat for the gas tank for the Predator bike. I also got a whole bunch of screws that I'm not going to get out because I don't feel like it. Some duct tape because I'm running low. And a gift for my brother. I don't know why, but he really wants a scrub daddy. So I mean, like, why not? Yeah, and some more washers. So epic. Now we can actually continue the build. Well, unfortunately, guys, that's gonna do it for the video for now. Expect part 2 to be up real soon, because as soon as I get my welder fixed, I'm going to finish this and upload that video. So be sure to check in for that. Until then, have a great quarantine.